Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and has enough storage so images load smoothly. Once done, pick the photo or live photo you want in Photos. This saves time later. Now open Settings and tap Wallpaper to begin the change. This path gives you the full control panel for previewing and positioning. Make sure to let the phone finish any background sync, because photos must be fully accessible before you proceed to selecting and editing the image. Choose a new wallpaper and decide between stills, live, or dynamic so the effect matches your preference. Then position the image. Pinch to zoom and drag to frame the subject, and toggle perspective zoom if you want parallax movement. Turn it off for a fixed look. Once satisfied, tap Set and choose whether the image applies to lock screen, home screen, or both. This step controls icon contrast and readability, so test legibility before finalizing to avoid cluttered icons. After setting, immediately test both lock and home screens to confirm icon contrast and motion behavior feel right. If the crop or exposure is off, open the image in Photos, tap Edit, adjust crop or lighting, and then reapply the wallpaper to update the result. If a live photo won't animate on the lock screen, make sure Reduce Motion is disabled in Accessibility. Otherwise, live effects and perspective motion may be suppressed. Finally, revert or try a different image when legibility or battery concerns persist.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.